This is my Maxbounty CPA account. See my earnings on the Maxbounty. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can promote the CPA offers and what I did to make this money and what the tools I have used for that. Everything I'm going to reveal in this video. Hey guys and girls, this is Nagu from nagudaran.com. So in this video, as I said in my introduction, I am going to show you the best way to promote the CPA offers, right? So this is my Jamboard, right? So suppose you have a CPA offer here, one of the CPA offer, right? So usually you need to send the peoples to the CPA offers, and here if the people will do some actions, if they do some actions, you will get dollar, right? So this is basically a CPA offers. Actually this action may not be a purchase. You can just send the peoples and peoples can make the actions in terms of giving their credit card information or giving their email ID or giving their PIN code. For that you can earn dollars in terms of for each action from $1 to $5 approximately you can get, depends upon the CPA networks, right? So this is the CPA. Okay. So to promote the CPA offers, if you send the peoples directly to your CPA offer, you may not get the sales. So in between the people and the CPA offer, you need to put something that is called the landing page, right? You probably already know this landing page. So majority of the affiliate offers also we need to do promote in the same way only. You cannot, either this is the CPA offer or the affiliate offer, we should not send our traffic directly to that offer page. Instead we need to send our own landing page, and from that we need to send to the landing page from the CPA offer page, right? So inside this landing page we need to warm up. We need to warm up our visitors. We need to make our visitors to do the action on the CPA offer page, right? So for that, what we need to do on the landing page. Let I open the new frame. So basically, for the CPA offer, your landing page can be created some the game like landing page, or it can be a quiz landing page, or it can be use some instant win game, right? Instant wins like that spin the wheel or casino offers kind of game. So you basically you need to give the some kind of experience to your visitors on your landing page and urge them to do some actions on your landing page. So the typical funnel builders like the group pages, click funnels, these things are meant for the affiliate offers, but we cannot use those affiliate funnels for our CPA offers. So CPA offers funnel builder is something unique. There are many CPA offers funnel builders are there, but they are very costly. So today I'm going to reveal you one product which is going to be launched on 30th July 2022. It's a one-time cost. You can get that landing page CPA offers landing page funnel. You can build it through this, right? So that product is called the Engage Yard. So this is the Engage Yard. So here, excuse me. So here you can create, they have a done for you templates for you. They have a trivia quiz, voting contest, swipe quiz, memory game, toss game, tic tac toe, instant win, and you can also have your own templates. For example, in the instant win, you can see that lot of templates are there. For example, I can use this fortune wheel. If I click the preview, the what the landing page will looks like it. We can see it here, right? So this is the landing page. So the million fortune wheel. So here user needs to click the start button to start the game. Once they click the start, the spinning wheel will running. So here we can put any text here, and if we click the spin wheel, then it will tell whether we have a win or not, and based on that we can put our CPA offer link here. When the people click this button, it will take us to our CPA offer page, right? So I just want to explain you this more in detail with the example CPA offers, right? So for that, I'm going to my Maxbounty CPA account again. You see here, I just selected the email submits CPA offer. So these are all the campaign offers I'm getting in the Maxbounty. You see, particularly this sweepstakes a day, win $5,000 one field. When the peoples are entering their email ID on this page, right, we will get $1.6 per email. Okay, so they don't need to purchase anything on this. So I just go to this page and get my affiliate link. So simply I click the build tracking link, right, and choose, this is the what type of traffic will you be sending. I'm going to send the mobile ads. Select a creative, it's a raw link, I need just a raw link. Then the link is coming here. I just copy it and note it down in the notepad, right? I open the notepad and note it down here, and coming back to the Engage Yard, and I'm going to use this. I simply click this to use and it will open. Here we can edit. So this is the first page and second page, third page, right? So in the first page it is giving me the million fortune wheel. So I can be able to change this with related to my CPA offer. So what's my CPA offer is this, right? Get a chance to win. I just copy this and put it here, sorry. So choose this and change this text as get a chance to win $5,000 cash fortune wheel. I just changed like this, and I don't want this, so remove this. Yes, I remove it. So now the first screen is selected, and in the second screen, spin the wheel and discover if you won a prize. Okay, spin the wheel and discover if you won $5,000 cash, right? And coming back again on the screen 3 here. Oh my god, you won you own. Open in the open URL, I just put my URL what I have copied in my affiliate. So this is the open URL, and in the text, claim your $5,000 cash now. Right, I just make the width is bigger. Okay, fine. So now I completed. I simply click the save button and click preview. Then now the preview will become here. So get a chance to win $5,000 cash. Click the start button, spin the wheel and discover if you own $5,000 cash. Spin it. Oh my god, you won. Claim your $5,000 cash. When I click this, it will redirect me to my CPA offer page where the users is ready to put their email ID, right? So this is the perfect way to promote the affiliate offers. Now the question is how you can drive the traffic to this landing page, right? So first I need to get the URL of this landing page. So if I click the more button and click the embed, then this is I am getting. So that iframe thing I will get. We can copy this code and put it in our own domain to promote this. There are a lot of ad networks are available. So in this, one of the ad network is Propeller ads, right? So this Propeller ads is giving you that push notification ad and pop under ad. There are many ad types are coming here. So if I go and see, if I log in into my advertiser account, so this is my Propeller ad dashboard. So here when I click the create campaign, it will ask me to choose the type of ad. So these are all the ads this Propeller ad traffic source is having. Is the on click, pop under or direct click, push notification, industrial, pop under and direct click. So here I always use the push notification or the pop under ad type to drive the traffic to my CPA offers. So this is the just one of the way to promote the affiliate offers. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video that I reveal the way how I have promoted my CPA offers. So if you like this video, please click the like button on this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe this video so that every time I go live or I updated my one of the earning tricks on the YouTube, you will get notification, so you may not miss that video. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.